What are we doing?
So just took the body parts I bought. You can see, loaded up. Jimmy Subi, because obviously I don't have space. So we're gonna go to the MX-5 specialist. He also has my hardtop already, which I bought there. It's a red one, so I have to paint it over. We're gonna paint this over to my color and then set it on, hopefully set everything on. And also my handbrake is not working actually.
So you can't do the skids.
So I have to need to put it in gear to not roll, which is amazing.
Not really. So yeah, let's get going. We have arrived in the land of MX-5s. So let's get this stuff unloaded and then what do we do then? Get some breakfast?
Breakfast.
Breakfast.
Did not eat.
No?
Oh shit.
Okay, there's the car, we dropped everything off. Gonna get some breakfast.
Goodbye. Farewell. Until next time.
See you next time.
So Corbin, what are we doing today?
Right. So we just picked up the Miata, and as you can see, they put the side skirts
Nice.
in this color. Of course, one of the coolest things. Front lip.
And also hardtop.
So the hardtop, my color.
And lastly also the mud flaps, right?
Yeah.
With Corbin we see a problem. Why does my foot stick in there?
Yeah, so maybe next thing is gonna be coilovers, so that will be lowered. So.
But first we're gonna remove your just painted new hardtop because it's far too hot.
Yeah,
and I know
summer.
you can see it, Corbin literally is very sweaty from driving in the summer without air conditioning for an hour. Okay, so we got the roof off. Now we're going for a ride. So we're on our way to pick up my MX-5. Come on Corbin, we want to see that red line. Nice.
Alright, it's been a couple of weeks. Corbin's MX-5 has been fixed, I guess. What did they do?
They put on the body parts, painted it, fixed the brakes.
So let's take a look. It's only been a couple of days and the car's already very dirty. Corbin, why do you do this?
I think it's from the painting and stuff,
No, that's from the trees you're parking under all the time.
because it's always full.
Park somewhere else.
No.
Looking pretty nice. The wheels don't stick out, well they still stick out a bit, but not as ridiculous as before. So that's nice.
Yeah.
That's gonna be it. Back to regular content. Alright, we're back at the garage. We've already wasted like 2 hours doing absolutely nothing, and then we decided to get some lunch. Daan is here, Corbin as well.
Yeah.
What are we doing today?
Yeah, we're checking out the back of my car, so we need to do the discs.
The brake discs.
And brake pads. And then we are going to try to paint them.
The calipers.
Yes, not
Yeah.
a brake disc. Not not brake pads.
Corbin also bought something. What you got?
Yes. Stubby antenna. This is absolutely ridiculous.
But it should just come loose. But it doesn't.
Yeah, according to this, you should be able to just screw it out. But it's not coming loose, so. Rip.
So the 5-second install is gonna be
30 minutes, 5 hours.
Nothing ever works like after advertised.
Yeah.
This should have literally been a 30-second job, but it's not gonna be. How long do you think? 1 day, 2 days? Never finished?
I think the car's gonna end up in flames. Right, Corbin?
Oh yeah. Oh, bruh.
we'll just take out the liner here. And then you can screw the whole thing out and then you'll see it.
Okay, I think step 1 on your car is putting it in straight, because it's at an angle now. But if it just
Why would it matter?
because it's neat if it's straight.
No, it's okay. I'm not going to change it, Jim.
Why not?
It has no practical use to change it.
Alright, let's jack up the car. Seems like Corbin's actually done something. What have you done, lad?
Break it.
Oh.
I don't know.
Is this even the stock antenna?
I don't know. It looks like it.
How does the new one attach? I have no idea. Corbin, how does this work? Have you looked up the instructions?
No.
Well, there's a problem.
Look at this.
It's not that simple.
Instructions unclear.
Meanwhile, done update.
Did you do it? No. Oh. Hey, Moos. Are you going to help?
Most always helps.
No, what I did, in the solo, regular plywood couldn't fit, so I separated the plywood in a tiny thinner piece.
Didn't we last time also drive it up those pieces of wood?
Oh yeah, that was really smart.
Yeah, why don't we just do that?
Yeah.
Right. We're about 5 minutes into working on the car. Daan is already raging because his socket keeps getting stuck on his lug nut.
Mate. How can it get so stuck? It's not even a lot of force. Fuck you, Japan Racing. Get your fucking shit together.
Okay, this is pure user error.
Yep, skill issue.
Because where's the socket that you need for this?
I know where it is. It is one of the trays.
Corbin, how's the research coming along?
ChatGPT says I need an optional NB manual antenna base, and I have the electrical one, which is the stock. So I probably need a manual base.
We have found the specialized sockets that we should have been using.
Yeah, forgot I had special ones. User error. I'm my own worst enemy.
Yeah, those are pretty much done for. This side isn't as bad as the other side.
Is the other side worse?
Yeah, way worse.
I think that was also the side where my caliper got stuck a few times. That also doesn't help. Hey.
Nice. So what color are you gonna make the brakes?
Your guesses in the comments.
Put in the comments below, what do you think Daan's brake paint is gonna be? So we were wondering, why is it still stuck? And Daan, why was it still stuck?
Because I had the handbrake on it.
Yeah.
But I'm still can't really get
Movement in there.
movement in there.
Jeremy Clarkson method.
Yeah, just hammer it. Sometimes you just need a good old hammering. Hey.
How long have they been on there? Because they're probably rusted to your...
200 years.
Yeah.
Can't touch.
Oh wait, hold on. These have the same sort of threads that my Subi had.
Yeah?
So you can thread something in there and push it out.
Oh, how?
We thread something in here.
Yeah, but what do we have to thread it with?
I don't know, you need something that size.
You're checking our bits and parts.
Yeah. Oh, well, that was easy.
Like it was meant for it.
Yeah.
Maybe we should have tried
Why
it before.
didn't it work? Why didn't it work when I did it? I did the exact same thing.
Um,
Only the WD-40.
because only the one who has the hammer has the power.
Corbin, we did it.
Yeah.
We did it.
Okay, so I finally found something to extend it. So let's see if it works. We did it. Rip.
Going down.
Down is fine.
Let's see if the magic bolt works again.
Hey, that was easy.
Yeah.
Are you winning, son?
Are you winning, son? The other one is fixed. The other window.
It is what it is. So update, Daan broke Corbin's window.
I didn't. He broke it himself. I only found out.
Start your car, maybe it doesn't have enough juice in the battery.
Could be.
Juice.
Hey.
There you go. See, I fixed it. Daan broke it, I fixed it.
Oh, now it's stuck.
Yeah,
Stuck.
it lets the car up and down. Again, up. I think the motor might be broken. Because if you pull it, it also doesn't go.
It is what it is.
Yeah.
Okay, to get the glide pin off, we're gonna try and reattach it so we can actually put some pressure on the glide pin.
It's folding.
Alright, so we decided to take the bracket off of the caliper anyways, so it's a bit easier to clean up and paint. We closed up the cylinder for the guide pin with a big bolt that sort of fit in there, and we closed it off with tape so no dirt can go in. And now we're going to do the same thing on the other side. It is really hot in the Netherlands. Corbin's having some hot chocolate because he's insane.
Corbin is also wearing a sweater. So Jim, what are we doing now?
Alright, so to grind away at all the rust on these brackets, we're using this wire thing, brush. And we've created a foot controlled operating system. So you control the speed with your foot while you pick up all the rust.
Remember, we're professionals.
Alright, we've made quite a bit of progress, but the Dremel sponge thing was pretty much dead, and we're gonna have to buy a new one tomorrow. So we're gonna clean up a little bit, but we're gonna continue tomorrow with more Dremel bits, which we're gonna get tomorrow morning.
Hopefully.
Because yeah, Dremeling it went way faster than using sandpaper, and sandpaper it's even questionable if it does
Yep.
the job. See you in the next video.
See you tomorrow.